little while since I made a YouTube video, but today I'm going to be trying out Natura's hair products. I'm going to do a routine with just gel and a routine with gel plus moisturizer. So if you want to see my results, keep on watching. So starting off, I will be using the 3-in-1 conditioner. This is essentially a co-wash and a conditioner in one. It's going to condition your scalp as well as your hair. It has jojoba oil, which is amazing for your hair and scalp, as well as aloe vera. I went ahead and shampooed my hair twice just to make sure I got a thorough cleanse, and I did go ahead and use my shampoo brush as well.
Yeah, it's what I like. I wanna spend all night. Jalapeno, jalapeno. Jalapeno, jalapeno. Jalapeno, jalapeno.
Welcome you to the show.
This co-wash has a really unique texture and I really liked it. I think it's a great option for those of you that wash your hair more often, or for me personally on day 2 or 3 when I do have to possibly create some content and wash my hair, but I don't want to shampoo my hair again. Now for styling, this is going to be quick and easy because I'm only using one product, and that is their curl defining gel. This is an aloe vera based light hold gel that really does the job at moisturizing my hair and providing a good amount of hold. I apply it using my normal techniques and I brush style my hair, which that video is coming. I filmed it, don't worry, and I'll show you guys the finished wet results in a little bit. So these are my finished results with just one styling product. Can you believe it? I got some beautiful curl clumps, some really soft hydrated hair, and I definitely recommend this if you're just looking for a quick product to style your hair. Nothing else complicated. I definitely loved these results. Next, for my second routine, I did go ahead and co-wash off camera, and I'm starting with their moisturizer. This is an oil-based moisturizer that is super moisturizing. It made my hair extremely soft, and I could just tell it was locking in all that hydration, also known as water, on my hair, and I just knew this was going to be a bomb wash day. It contains jojoba oil as well as one of my favorites, coconut oil, to really add some softness, shine, and moisture to your hair. And last to style, I'm going in again with the curl defining gel. I think these two, the moisturizer and the gel together, make a beautiful combo. I really love it. I feel like they complement each other perfectly, and I highly recommend trying the pair. And these are my finished results for the second routine. You guys, the definition, the shine, the clumps, I'm obsessed. I definitely think this is my favorite routine between the two. They're just so good, but I have to choose this one. Let me know which routine you guys liked the most, and of course don't forget to subscribe, like, and let me know what else you guys want to see from me. Don't forget, your frizz is beautiful. Bye guys.